All right, we're going to save my favorite trait for last. One of the neat things about math and knowing more math, like, say knowing how to factor or something like that, is the ability to take a seemingly hard problem and breaking it down into an easier problem. So this is a big, bad rational expression in algebra 2, or what looks like it is bad. But we're actually going to pretend like maybe somebody hasn't had access to algebra 2 and see how we could actually do this. So if you don't know how to factor at all, you could always plug in the different answer choices and see, what's going to be correct. So this is going to get us to 4 minus 1 over 2 minus 1. That's going to get us to 3 over 1. That's not an answer choice. Then I could try 0 squared minus 1. That equals to 1, which is not equal to -2. So you can forget about that one as well. And then I could go to C. I could try -3 squared minus 1 over -3 minus 1. That's going to be 9 minus 1 over -4. And that simplifies to -2. And that kind of satisfies the condition. So even without knowing algebra, if you have your answer choices, you can always plug them in and see if they work or not. Another thing that you could do is you could factor. So we could kind of see here, if you were in like algebra 2 class, if this is a difference of 2 squares. So it doesn't tell you to factor, but obviously if you have something with squared in it, you can factor it. Usually this is a x plus 1 times x minus 1 over x minus 1. And we can get those to cancel out. So we're left with x plus 1 equals to -2. And like that, we turn this into a basic expression problem. And this should be a -2. So we get that x is equal to -3. So just by doing something like factoring to break the problem into more manageable chunks, you can turn this into a much easier problem.